How to log in to Comerica Bank Online Banking. Open your preferred web browser and visit google.com. In the search bar, type Comerica Bank and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official website of Comerica Bank. Once on the home page, locate the Login option and click on it. In the Login section, enter your user ID. If you'd like your user ID to be remembered for future logins, check the Save User ID option. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you are a new user, click on Enroll to register for online banking services. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to recover it. For any assistance, you may click on the Help option. In case of any suspicious activity, you can access the Fraud Center for support. Once all details are correctly entered, click on Login to access your Comerica Bank Online account.